Hi everyone, it's Genene here with a relaxing evening yoga practice. These morning and evening classes are designed so that you don't have to haul out any special props, put on any special clothes, just come as you are. But do remember to click the subscribe button if you haven't already. Today's practice will start by warming up the back and then some relaxation stretches to release any tension that you might be holding in your low back or your hips. So let's begin lying on our bellies, lying prone, and hands will be underneath your forehead.
Firm your right leg. Without rocking your pelvis, keep your leg straight and lift it in the air. Point the foot, flex the foot, and lengthen the leg, and then point the foot again, press it down into the earth. Relax. Firm your right leg again, keeping your leg straight, lift it in the air. Point the foot, flex the foot, lengthen your leg, point the foot, and press down into the floor. Relax. Left side. Firm your left leg. Keep your leg straight, lift it in the air, point the foot, flex the foot, lengthen the leg, point the foot, and press down into the floor. Firm your leg. Lift your left leg in the air, point the foot, flex the foot, lengthen the leg, point the foot, and then press it down into the floor. Relax. Now take special notice of your pelvis and see if it's even on the floor. And then bend your right knee and then straighten it. Bend your left knee and straighten it. Let your pelvis move. Feel how it moves as you do that. Bend the right knee, straighten it. Bend the left knee, straighten it. Now turn your head to the left. You're going to feel your pelvis. Notice your pelvis here. Turn your feet from side to side. Just keep moving them from side to side and feel how the pelvis moves with the feet. Allow that to happen. Relax. And now take special notice of your feet. Your feet aren't going to do any work. Instead, move your pelvis from side to side and notice how the feet move with the pelvis. Just rock your pelvis from side to side a few more times, allowing the feet to move. And now bend your left leg up into frog, a 90-degree bend in your leg with the knee in line with the hip, and then straighten that leg again. And then bend that leg up, and then down. Bend the left leg up again, and down. And choose to rest here or do 3 more on your own. Bending the leg back into frog and then straightening the leg. When you're done, take a rest. And now turn your head to the right. Once again, take your feet and turn your feet from side to side and feel how the feet moving moves the pelvis. Allow the pelvis to move. Release that. And now move the pelvis from side to side and notice how the pelvis moving moves the feet. Now bend your right leg into frog, knee in line with hip, and then back to center. Again, bend the leg, and then back to center. Bending this leg into that 90-degree angle, and then back. And once more, either choosing to rest here or do 3 more on your own. And now rest. Now come onto your back, bending your knees with your feet flat on the floor.
Now a moving bridge, Setubandha Sarvangasana. We're going to find that same action starting in the neutral pelvis. And then as you lift up, feel that lengthening lift. Chest towards chin, hips away from ribs. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. As you exhale, lower, notice your back. Does it come to the floor or is it trying to arch away from the floor? Come back to neutral spine. Cross right thigh over left thigh. And then if your right foot reaches, reach it underneath that left calf. Garudasana legs here. And then lift the knees up and take your arms out to the side. Right leg is crossed over left leg, right thigh over left. Roll all the way onto your right outer hip. It's okay if the left shoulder lifts. And if you like, turn your head to the left. Breathe. On your next inhale, come back up to center. Place the feet down, uncross the legs, and cross your thighs the other direction. So cross left thigh over the right. Lift, maybe lift the feet so that you can wrap that left foot behind the right calf or not. Doesn't really matter. And you can use your arms for support. Just make sure they're out of the way as you roll onto your left outer hip. On your next inhale, come back to center. Uncross the legs. Bring the soles of your feet together and your knees open, Supta Baddha Konasana, legs. And if this hurts the knees, place a block underneath each leg, palms face up, allow the inner thighs to let go of any tension that they're holding on to. If you like this video, please remember to click the like button and let me know in the comments what worked the best for you and how it worked for you. I'm really looking forward to hearing your comments. It lets me know I should make more content like this, and give me any suggestions you have for future videos. You can stay in Supta Baddha Konasana, this supine bound angle pose, as long as you like. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Namaste.